Hey, hey, ah, ah, yeah. Hey, hey, ah, ah, da, wee, da, ah, do. Shodaji, Apsalogi Zawash Kushlu Michigi. Hello. It is good that you have come to Crow Land. Elk River's edge. There I'm standing, looking for a feeling in the wind. Come down river looking around, feeling gotta roam. So I come down river to look around, to reach into the sound of the water. Somewhere between the reflection and the stars is the feeling of life and love, where you can hear the stars in the wind. Feeling twinkling and fluttering in cottonwood leaves. From yesterday, from days gone by, can I have tomorrow from yesterday that I borrow?